Hey there, health enthusiasts. Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can reduce your risk of heart disease by a whopping 32%? That's right. Today, I'm going to reveal how nourishing your body with plant-based power can transform your health and your life starting right now. Welcome to our channel. If you're eager to revolutionize your well-being with a simple dietary change, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how a plant-based diet can be your secret weapon for better health. Many of us struggle with health issues due to poor dietary choices. Whether it's low energy, weight management challenges, or concerns about chronic diseases, our eating habits can really impact our overall well-being. But here's the good news, you can turn things around with one powerful change. Here's where the magic of a plant-based diet comes in. By adding more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds to your meals, you're flooding your body with essential nutrients. This means improved energy levels, better weight management, and a reduced risk of serious health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. Making the switch to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be daunting. It can be as simple as starting with a few plant-based meals a week. And guess what? The benefits can be tremendous. Imagine feeling more energetic, lighter, and healthier while also enjoying delicious, nutrient-packed meals. Plus, if you're looking for an easy guide to kickstart your plant-based journey, check out the link in the description below for exclusive tips and recipes. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet can be a real game-changer for your health. It's not just about feeling good today, it's about setting yourself up for long-term wellness. Boost your energy, manage your weight, and lower your risk of diseases by making this simple dietary switch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and plant-based recipes. Share your plant-based journey or ask questions in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And make sure to check out our link in the description for special tips and recipes to help you get started on your plant-based journey. Remember, the power to transform your health is in your hands. Let's do this together.